Hi everyone. So today we will focus on improving our reading comprehension skills. Reading comprehension, it is much of a very much common question in almost all kinds of exams. But understanding what we read is essential not only for writing the exams but also for everyday learning and communication. We must know what we are reading. So, this session will help you to develop strategies to read and answer these questions, which is based on a passage, reading comprehension effectively. So, first of all, we have a passage here which is named as The Hidden Wonders of the Ocean. So, look at the passage. The passage is about the ocean covering 70% of Earth's surface, its role in climate change, regulation, marine life, and conservation efforts, etc. So, first of all, let's begin by reading the passage carefully. As you read, pay attention to the key facts, comparisons, and cause effect relationships. Try to grasp the overall theme before moving on to the questions. You should know what the paragraph is trying to convey. Or else, when you are reading the paragraph, you can just mark the important points or you can just underline the keywords in each sentence. It will help you to find out the answer after reading the question easily. Okay. Now that I hope you will read the passage, and when we move on to the questions, so the first question is, what percentage of Earth's surface is covered by the ocean? So here we can see that what percentage. So the question itself is asking for a percentage. Okay, so the percentage must be underlined. This is the keyword in the question. The percentage must be underlined of the Earth's surface. Earth's surface. So Earth's surface is a keyword that should be underlined. Covered by the ocean. So we have almost 3 to 4 keywords in this sentence in the question. Then we are again moving back to the paragraph. So look at the first line of the paragraph. Look at the first line of the passage. The ocean covers more than 70% of the Earth's surface and is home to a vast array of marine life. So here all the keywords are aligned. Percentage is over there, Earth's surface is over there, and the ocean covers, that word is also there. So the first sentence, it says the ocean covers more than 70% of the Earth's surface. So the correct answer is more than 70% of the Earth's surface is covered by the ocean. So that's what we have written here. So this is how we read a question, understand the question, and find out the answer which is given in the question paper itself. So there is a tip when they are asking for numbers or statistics mentioned in the passage. Look for the numbers or statistics only. If they are asking for a percentage must be written like 70%, 25% and all. If there are more than 1% or numbers written, then go for the next keyword. The first sentence of the passage contains this information, that's why we have answered this here. Let's have one more question. Why is a large part of the ocean is still unexplored? So here we can see that the major keywords are why. Why? It is asking why. And a large part of the ocean unexplored. So let's move back to the paragraph again. Look at the second sentence. Despite its importance, much of the ocean remains unexplored. So the ocean remains unexplored. The keyword is quoted there, with scientists estimating that over 80% of it is still unmapped. So identifying the key phrases related to each question is essential while answering a question. Just like I told you in the previous slide. Identify the keywords in a question, underline them, match those keywords with the paragraph. When you find the correct keywords in the paragraph, just write the sentence down. So the paragraph or the passage mentions much of the ocean remains unexplored and over 80% is still unmapped. So that is the answer. One more question. How does the ocean help to regulate the Earth's climate? So here also we have keywords. First of all, ocean help regulate Earth's climate. So ocean regulate Earth's climate. So let's move back. So here we can see the third sentence. The ocean plays a crucial role in regulating the Earth's climate by absorbing carbon dioxide and generating oxygen. So here it is. The third sentence itself says that it has a crucial role in regulating. The regulating was a word, was a key word we have underlined. Earth's climate. So definitely this is the answer. The ocean absorbs carbon dioxide and generates oxygen, which helps to regulate the Earth's climate. Even if you are unable to rephrase the sentence, you just write the sentence as it is. Just take the sentence from the passage given. There is a passage, no? So take the sentence from the passage given. Identify the sentence and take the sentence and write it in your answer sheet. One more question. What are coral reefs often compared to and why? So look for the comparison words. Like here they are asking for what is the coral reefs are often compared to. So the comparison words like would be called, compared to, like and all. So in the passage we have that in the second paragraph, the second line, coral reefs often called the rainforest of the sea. Called the rainforest of the sea. So we know that what are the coral reefs often compared to as the rainforest of the sea. So look for the comparison words like, called, compared to, all these things. Okay, then you will be able to answer these reading comprehension questions very easily. First of all, read the paragraph, identify the keywords, read the question, underline the keywords, find the same keywords in the paragraph and try to figure out an answer. The same questions goes on here. So here are some key points that you have to keep in your mind while answering these reading comprehension questions. First of all, read the passage carefully. Always read the passage carefully first before answering the questions. Then identify the keywords in the question and locate them in the passage. Pay attention to the question type, which kind of question is asked, whether it is a factual one, it is inferential, or it is vocabulary based. Like if we can find the direct answer, or if it requires reasoning, just check. And then use the context clues to understand unfamiliar words. For example, and always find and verify your answer in the passage instead of relying on memory. I have read the passage, so I have everything in my memory. I have stored everything in my memory. No, just go back to the passage. Just recheck whether the thing you find out as the answer is correct or not. Then write the answer. And your answer should be based only on the passage, not about your personal knowledge or assumptions. You will be having so many personal knowledges, experiences and assumptions, but it shouldn't be based on your personal things, but it should be only based on the passage that is given to you. Then look for the context clues. That's what I was saying. Use the context clues. So in a passage, all the words, we might not be familiar with all the words used in the passage, especially in English passages. So what you have to do, read the passage, try to figure out what the passage is conveying, the overall idea. Then we will understand what is the meaning of a particular word, we can assume. Okay, then check for the cause and effect. Many questions ask why something happens or how something happens. So look for the words like because, due to, as a result. So these words will help you to understand the passage and identify the answers as well. And ensure that you are summarizing the key ideas when asked for the main idea of the passage. Someone might be asking for a main idea of the passage. So you should be able to summarize the major ideas, key ideas in the passage. Then answer in complete sentences. When there is a question from a reading comprehension passage, do not just answer in words. You should answer in proper sentences, complete sentences. If you are unable to create or craft a sentence, just identify the answer in the passage and copy the line in which the answer occurs in the passage. Just copy the line. And after that, after everything, just check the spelling, grammar, and whether your answers are clear, whether they are well structured and everything. So a recheck, a proofreading is essential. So this is how you manage to answer a reading comprehension passage even if your English language level is below the average. So if you follow these steps, you will be able to score well in a reading comprehension question even if your language level is bit lower than we expecting. Okay, so today we learned how to approach a reading comprehension effectively, and first of all, practice is the key. So you have to practice reading comprehension questions. You will be getting so many reading comprehension questions online. You can take down that, or you can use your textbooks and read the certain passages, and create your own questions and answer them. The more you read, the better you become. So keep applying these strategies in your studies, and all the best. Thank you.